Baby shark!
What's going on?
Beep, beep, baby shark, do you have wheels?
Yes, yes, I have 3 kinds of wheels. One is square, one is triangle, one is a circle. What would you like?
I like this one, thank you, baby shark.
Baby shark, help me!
What happened?
My ladder is broken! Beep, beep, baby shark, do you have ladders?
Yes, yes, I have 3 kinds of ladders. One is green, one is pink, one is yellow. What would you like?
I like this one, thank you, baby shark.
Phew. Beep, beep, baby shark, do you have horns? Yes, yes, I have 3 kinds of horns. One is big, one is long, one is small. What would you like? I like this one, thank you, baby shark.
Help me, baby shark! Beep, beep, baby shark, do you have lights?
Yes, yes, I have 3 kinds of lights. One is a firefly, one is a star, one is a siren. What would you like?
I like this one, thank you, baby shark. Now it's perfect! Yeah! Beep, beep, baby shark, thank you so much.